We strive to provide our customers with the best service possible. So when we get a 5-star review and they say things like this, we have to show it to the world. And here's the exact 5-star review that one customer left about their experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star customer services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a great confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We love to make you a happy customer. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.